Hey, this is Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session. It will last 10 minutes, and the meditation title for today is Stop. Meditation for Stop. As always, please find your preferred, comfortable seating position, either in a chair with back support or on the floor as I am, maybe sitting on a cushion, whatever you prefer. Same thing with your hand placements. You can place them on your knees or in your lap, whatever you prefer. If you are ready to begin, I invite you to close your eyes. Let's begin by observing your breath, not trying to control the speed, just observe it. Notice how fast you're breathing. Notice the time that it takes to breathe in notice the time that it takes to breathe out. Also notice the slight pause that it takes to switch from your inhalation to the exhalation. Maybe notice how your chest rises as you inhale. Notice how your chest falls as you exhale. Some of us, as we breathe in and out, our belly rises. I would like you to imagine your breath as the wind, blowing leaves in a certain direction as you inhale, and as you exhale, the leaves are blowing in the opposite direction. Continuing to breathe naturally, use my voice as your point of focus. So today's meditation title is Stop. S.T.O.P. Stop. So if you remember anything from this meditation today, remember the word stop. What does the S stand for? The S stands for stop. It means to take a break. Give yourself a moment. The T means take 3 breaths. The O is to observe. And the P is to then proceed. So we'll talk about these a little bit more into detail. So for instance, if I'm in a situation where this has multiple different applications, not just for anger, but let's just use anger for an example. The next time that I might be in a situation where I'm angry, if I remember the word stop, I need to then say, give me a moment to the person that I might lash out on, or I need a second. I need to take a break or take a walk. So then you get up, walk outside or to a different room maybe. And then while you're in that room or away from that person, you then remember the letter T to take at least 3 breaths. So now I'm breathing in and out. And that's 1. Breathing in and out. That's 2. Breathing in and out. That's 3. And then the next letter is O, to observe. So after we're finished with taking 3 breaths, we want to observe ourselves internally. How am I feeling? What sensations are going through my body? What am I thinking? Is my thinking and along the lines of how I want to think in this situation? Are my feelings true, or am I feeling something that might be incorrect? What sensations am I feeling in my body? Are my fists clenched? Do I feel butterflies in my stomach? Am I seeing red? And with the observing, or the O part, we want to make sure we're also observing the exterior or outside of our body. The person that I am getting into an argument with, what was going on? What were they saying? How are they acting? Etc. The last letter is P. After we have collected the data from observing internally and externally, we now want to proceed, because now we're able to respond with all of this information and data that we collected versus react. And if you are ready to complete this meditation, and you've had your eyes closed, go ahead now and start to open your eyes. Maybe wiggle your toes and your fingers. Great job today. Great job today. I really mean it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you are on our Facebook community group, you can ask them there. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.